In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change opening balance in Zoho Books. Opening balances are the starting figures for your accounts on day one of your bookkeeping in Zoho Books, and keeping them accurate ensures your reports, reconciliations, and tax filings line up with reality. If you've migrated from another system, discovered an error, or received updated figures from your accountant, this quick walkthrough will help you make clean, precise updates. Start by opening Zoho Books and signing into your organization. From any screen, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open settings. Under the Setup and Configuration section, select Opening Balances. This is the central place where you'll view and adjust the beginning amounts for your balance sheet accounts. Inside Opening Balances, expand the account categories such as assets and liabilities to reveal individual accounts. You'll see fields where you can enter debit or credit amounts. Enter the updated figures for the specific accounts that need adjustment. Think bank accounts, inventory, fixed assets, loans, or equity. If you are unsure whether an amount belongs on the debit or credit side, refer to your trial balance or your accountant's worksheet. A quick way to sanity check your entries is to ensure that total debits still equal total credits after your changes. If the numbers don't balance, recheck which side you've posted to. A special note for accounts receivable and accounts payable. If you are changing opening balances for these, make sure any existing opening balances tied to customers or vendors have been removed first. Leaving old opening entries in place while adding new ones can cause duplicates and throw off aging reports, customer and vendor balances, and the general ledger. The goal is to avoid overlap so that your customer and vendor subledgers reconcile perfectly with the control accounts. When your updates are in place, click Continue to review a summary of the changes. Take a moment to confirm dates, account names, and amounts. This review step helps you catch typos and confirm that the revised totals align with your source documents. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to apply the changes. Zoho Books will update your opening balances, and these updates will flow through to your balance sheet and related reports. After confirming, it's a good practice to compare your updated opening balances screen with your reference trial balance and glance at key reports to ensure everything ties out as expected. Clear documentation now makes audits and month-end reviews much easier. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.